Hey everybody on YouTube, it's ATV Master 281. I finally got another RC airplane. It's a 90 size. It's aerobatic. It's very cool. In this video I'm just going to start it up and let it idle a little bit and rev it up a couple times. Right now there's like 2 feet of snow on the ground, so I really can't run it in this weather. But this is what it looks like with the wings off. There's one wing over there and then other one's right over there. It's pretty cool. I'll take off the canopy. Show you all the hardware. That's the fuel tank. I gotta put fuel in there. That's the fuel tank. It's empty. I gotta fill it up. The battery, 6 volts. The receiver. There's 3 servos. This one's for elevator. This one's for rudder. And this one's for the throttle. These two are like $70 a piece. I'll be the 4th owner of this plane, so I'm gonna fill it up. To fill it up, this is how you put the fuel in, fill up the tank, block the carb so it doesn't flood, and then crank it a couple times. Alright. Okay, now I've got the wings on and the fuel tank full, so now we're ready to start. So all you gotta do is this is the radio it came with. Just turn on the radio, and always turn on the radio first. Then go over to the plane. Turn on the plane. That's all you gotta do. And then just make sure everything's working all right. I'll test the ailerons. The other ones are correct. I got dual rates on, so if I take those off. Elevator. Rudder, you can hear the throttle. So everything's working alright. So to start, you want to just under about half throttle, like right there. The trim for the throttle is just right about half. I primed it already. So I'll just put the glow plug in and spin it. And that's it.